ba?
Sasalita tayo.
LU 2024! It's the brain not braining. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Sebastian. I just graduated university back in June and I'm currently navigating my early 20s. In today's episode, me and my friends Isha and Fer come to LU to go surfing, talk about internet love, and of course get shit-faced.
And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact,
Hey. Hi, so actually it's been a while. I think my last post was back in Thailand. It's been a long time since I last uploaded. A lot has happened since then. I got my braces off after 5 fucking years. Actually, technically more than that, because it's for a different video. I graduated university back in June. I'm about to go to LU now to spend the weekend with my friends, but I figured to do like a proper intro first, because nobody does intros anymore. But like this whole portion of graduating university and pursuing a whole different career is something that I did not expect in my 2024. But we're here. Today's plans, I need to go to Makati now. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was supposed to have lunch with Ja, kasi mukhang hindi ako aabot. Kasi I'm not bringing my car kasi tinatamad ako mag-drive. And then later at night, I'm gonna meet up with Fer and Natisha because we booked an agency to go to La Union kasi ayoko mag-drive ng ganung kalayo. We're gonna spend the weekend there and I'm gonna take you guys along. So let's go. Naganap tayo ngayon ah.
Gaganap tayo ng malalamang bukas.
Musta?
Ayos naman.
Tingin nyo magsa-survive friendship natin sa trip na to.
Titingnan.
What if pag-uwi wala na mag-usap tayo?
Grabe.
Time check.
1:21.
So, sa mga travel vlogs, I've noticed people just show where they're going. Malamang kasi travel vlog, bobo. But what I mean is gusto
Kalaban niya si Sai.
I want this video to, like, in a few years we'll look back. We'll actually look back and think na, oh, nagawa natin yun.
Oh, nakapag-LU kaming tatlo.
Hi, I'm Isha.
Hi, I'm Christopher.
So today, finally, after so long, ang tagal na namin pinaplano mag-La Union. Kaso, hindi matuloy-tuloy.
Kasi,
Ba't nga ba?
hindi kami naghahanap ng isa pang member.
Girl group,
And the puzzle now is complete.
welcome to the club, Fer. We paid a total of 3,100 each. That includes transportation and our own private rooms. It was relatively cheap. However, the transpo was really bad. Ayos ba? I'm drunk, I love you. Yeah. Yung may scene doon na gusto nila mag-bagnet. Sila nung friend niya, tsaka si Paolo. Patty, yung girlfriend, gusto is sa vegan restaurant, like yung vegetarian. Yung mga tao na galing pa Manila, pumunta sa LU para sa bagnet. Napilitan sila hindi mag-bagnet because of... Pag ganun magkipag-away ako. Bagnet.
Kahit anong uri ng bagnet gusto niya eh.
Bakit? May iba bang uri ng bagnet? Meron bang chicken bagnet?
Chicken bagnet wala. Ano mo sabihin katulad niya sa sisig, sa pares, sa lomi, pwede mo yung mga...
Gets. Yung accom namin is quite near dito sa, infamous 7-Eleven. Ano nga binila ni Carson dito? Beer, no? Ramdam.
7 years na kay tagal kitang minahal. Uy!
Sinong unang malalasing?
Ikaw.
Sinong unang malalasing?
Drink your coffee.
Ito hindi ko alam kung nalalasing.
Ang hirap sa kanya basahin kasi minsan.
Oo, kasi pag siya, hindi ko alam kung lasing o inaantok. Pero parang mukhang inaantok kasi nakokontrol niya.
Uy, sa iba yung galing ha?
Oy.
Hindi yun ba yan? Kaya mo ba kami dalawa?
Nalalasing.
Paano pag paras kami dapat mamaya?
What if?
What if lang?
Hi guys.
Post-drinking session.
Hanggang 1 AM lang yung bar.
Pagod na po ako. At
Wait,
ako lang
wait.
nalasing ngayon ako.
Akala ko yung bars dito, till
Yung
4 AM or
Yung
5.
mga patay.
Before 1 nga, patay na eh.
Nag-enjoy
Oh,
naman
hindi.
kayo.
Nag-enjoy.
On a scale of 1 to
Saya.
10.
10.
Tapos panaginip ko itong ina nito. Nagpadawid niya yung ex niya.
Sino?
Ito, panaginip niya na lagi.
Love.
Tapos nagising ako parang...
Spam silog, chicken wings, vegan dessert. It's day 2 in LU. First time namin magsa-surf parehas. Wait lang, gusto ko eager natin mag-surf pero mamaya
Gaganon-ganon lang tayo.
wala sa initial plans namin mag-surf. But might as well since we're here.
Last
At the-
natin.
Yeah, at the surfing capital of the Philippines.
Sure.
Kasi ayaw niya mag-surf. Ba't ba ayaw mo? Duwag ka ba?
30.
8:30. I wonder if feeling ko mahirap na tumayo pa lang sa surfboard.
Sa surfboard mo.
Oo,
So, mababasa talaga tayo.
Oh,
Mamaya.
surfing hindi mo babasa?
Sorry na, kasi expected ko parang kunwari, ito lang yung mababa.
Hindi ka bababa sa surfboard. Today's our last day kasi tomorrow pabalik na kami ng Manila.
Local, oh.
Ako na lang ako dito.
Let's go!
Basta nyo to, madulas to. Tayo. O, kanan. Okay, tayo. Sana all! Sana all!
This was my first time surfing, and let me tell you, it's not that hard as it seems. However, getting on board, I think, is the most difficult part rather than balancing.
I poured out my heart, now it's see-through. I see you looking fine, and I wonder if you feel as good as you look. My everything and more is all that you took. There's not much left, picking up these pieces. So you know.
Anong sa inyo sa surfing experience natin?
Saya. Safe
Super-
na safe.
Super
Cross na
sulit.
cross.
Sobrang nakakapagod siya. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, gano'n ka napagod?
9.
Oh, dapat di ba magpipicture lang ako? Kaso nabudol nila ako.
Napasali siya.
Ngayon, we're here at Stream of Consciousness, which is cafe ni Marisa Cal.
It's now 2:07 in the morning. Nakapunta kami sa Hara o ano yung kanina? All Pop. Sa Shogun.
Bar hopping.
Shogun something. Yo, pag nasa ibang lugar kayo, might as well. Yun lagi na. Alam mo yung mga beauty rule. Ito yung hard part sa trip, yung pag-i-impake pabalik. Kasi responsible adults, aka hindi kami matutulog kasi 2 o'clock ngayon. Pagdating ng 5 o'clock, pupunta kami sa Cabsat. Level up naman tayo. Normally pag after inom, tayo pares eh.
Ngayon iba na.
Naniniwala ba kayo na like, possible makahanap ng tulog sa bar?
Siguro oo.
Like you're talking to someone who's under the influence. Like, paano mo magagaranti na yung nasabi is like real?
Alam mo bakit ako parang naniwala na may tulog sa bar? Kasi si Sofia Andres, si Ann Curtis, yung celebrity na kinasal nato sa happy na
Bar nga tayo nagkakilala.
wala mo, hindi mo maramdam.
Ibang-iba kasi yung dating culture ng Gen Z to be for real. Half of the people, mga hopeless romantics. The other half naman, mga nasa hopeless. Tapos wala sila pa rin
Madaming cautious. Parang madaming namulat sa sarili nila. Kasi dati yung mga culture, yung mga mindset nila parang pag nakahanap sila ng tao, ito na to. Eh ngayon yung Gen Z parang parang kikilalanin ko. Or pag hindi muna, self ko muna, parang travel muna, career muna. Parang
self talaga, paano mo pipiliin tao, di pinipili sarili.
Yeah. Yung ngayon generation, engaged ka, 7 months mo palang nakikilala.
Pag feel ko, why not? Pag like, genuine ko na.
Respectfully pa na weh.
Diba?
At is respectfully.
Pero... Imagine how the scenario. You're 21 years old, nag-bubble hopping ka with friends, you meet someone on a random Friday night.
Yun nga, yung parang may part sa akin na ayoko maniwala na meron sa bar kasi as a bobong person, 2 beses sa bar. Parehong tangahin. Bobo nga ako.
You're not bobo, it's your daddy issues acting up. Sometimes you have to think rin, kaya mo ba ito gusto dahil gusto mo o daddy issues mo lang ito?
Daddy issues mo lang. Hindi mo sasama ka! Yung part na to, alam mo yung elevator music? Yung parang ganun na part, kasi puro sensor.
Pwede ka na ito i-share.
Alam ba na kilala mo sa bar?
Oh shit.
Madami.
No!
Pero ako wala akong na-meet sa bar na ganun.
Well...
Good morning from us. I don't want to be dramatic, but this was the part where we were talking about our goals in life and we got a bit emotional because we were all leaving the Philippines after this. Just reflecting and figuring out adulting while still trying to be present. Although, one thing I can share with you is how intent is everything. No matter how cruel or confusing the world can be, you don't want that to change your heart, as well as your intentions. Maybe I'm saying this because I'm leaving the Philippines after this vlog, but this whole experience of going out with my friends, creating memories that I'll cherish abroad makes adulting a little less hard because of the genuine friendships I've built.
Horchata. Ganyan na yan.
Siya pumili.
Diyan.
Masarap.